Hey everybody, Will here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to remove and replace the cabin air filter in a 2013 Chevy Cruze. Procedures will be similar for most Cruze models from 2011 to 2015, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open the glove box and empty the contents. Move the passenger seat back if you need more room to work. Use a small flat blade screwdriver or trim tool to get underneath the tabs on either side of the inside of the compartment to push them forward so you can remove them. Detach the damper on the outside of the glove box by feeding the catch out through the opening. Now you should be able to tilt the glove box down and slide it off its hinges and out of the footwell. With the glove box out of the way, you should be able to see the cabin air filter door. Push in on the 3 tabs securing the door and open the door. Carefully slide the old cabin air filter out of the housing. Clean any dirt or debris out of the housing. Slide your new filter into place, making sure the airflow indicator arrow is pointed down. Close the door, making sure each of the tabs snap into place to secure it. Slide the glove box back into its hinges. Reinstall the damper by feeding the catch back through the opening. Re-engage the tabs on either side of the glove box. Replace any items you may have removed. Close the glove box. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional shop or certified auto repair service center in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.